Cosmic, please, Cosmic,
Hello,
Cosmic.
people.
Please speak. You speak, I know it's you.
I command you to go away right now. I command you to go away right now. I'm trying to do something. Why you have to ruin it? Leave me alone. Oh, dang, you just got juked. You just got juked. You got juked. You just got juked. Oh my gosh.
Stop.
Oh.
Please, stop.
Dang! The juke's 3,000.
That doesn't work on me.
Oh, jukesies.
No, Cosmic.
Go away! Help! I was trying to do something, but you had to ruin it. Psych!
Cosmic?
Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Cosmic? I can't get up here.
Yeah, you can't get up because you suck. You literally cannot get up.
Wait, Cosmic, come to the screen.
Anyways, as I was
Are you
saying,
the real Cosmic?
oh my gosh, for the love, bro. Oh no.
Skinwalker. He's a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber. Oh, he's a YouTuber.
Oh no.
No one's a YouTuber.
Dude, I was trying to do an intro of my video, but you had to ruin it.
Don't play a minigame. No one's
play minigames. I want to play minigames.
No, that's not the person that's calling YouTuber. It's this kid. It's that green kid.
Anyways, as I was saying, and also I'm using my other Discord account as an example. How does, like, when someone calls you on Discord, that I'll get a call and listen how it sounds like. I'm gonna use my phone is on my other Discord account. It's called Bucket Master, because and don't say you're not the Bucket Master. Do not say don't. I'm gonna tell you what to not say in the comments. Don't say you're not a Bucket Master. You suck. You just the good comment I want you to say is you are a good Bucket Master. Keep it up. So I'm gonna use my phone account with my other Discord accounts as an example. So I'm gonna call it right now. Oh look, would you look at that? I'm getting a Discord call. I wonder who it is. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? I forgot about that. Here, I'm gonna try. Here, I'm gonna try that one last time. We're gonna try this one last time. Oh, would you look at that? I wonder who's calling me. And listen to that Discord sound call. Let's join it. And that's how a Discord sound. looks like. Thank you guys for tuning in this house. And thank you guys. And thank you for letting me to demonstrate how Discord ringtone sounds like. Where's that? The rare ringtone that goes how that goes. Anyways, thank you guys for letting me show this. I'll see you guys some points maybe. Take care and peace.